Have you ever felt like you're constantly holding everything together? Be it your family, your work, your responsibilities, your emotions, your mind. You're handling everything together, but still, from inside, you feel empty. Women today are carrying so much of mental load, so much of emotional pressure, and mainly disconnection from their inside. And the woman who takes care of her entire family and entire society, hardly anyone asks her, how are you feeling today? So this video is for all the women who feel lost, who feel overdrained, who feel overwhelmed, who feels that she's very tired, and mainly for the women who feels disconnected from within. Namaste, I'm Shravya Maulika, the founder of Vidhyan Worldwide. Welcome to this episode of our series Why Meditation for Women. This entire 10-part series is created in a way to help every woman become independent emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and energetically. These series are a way through which provides the right information so that it brings an overall holistic spiritual empowerment of a woman. More than any era, in this era, which is also called as Kali Yuga, women need meditation a lot. And if you are doing anything else but meditation, then let me tell you, you are actually missing a great deal of things. I just want to share one small real life case study. As most of you know, I'm also a Akashic record reader cum counselor. Every day I counsel a lot of women of different age groups, from teenagers to the people who are in their adulthood, to the mothers, to the working professional, to the elders. And recently, when I was speaking to a woman, to a mother, her words really shook me. She said, Shravya, everything is there in my life. Because whenever a person comes to me for counseling, they come with a one single part, or looking for clarity, to seek clarity, or to seek direction in one field. But when she came to me, she said, Shravya, I'm very good physically. My family life is great. I'm a mother of two children. I have a lot of financial abundance in my life that I don't have to worry literally about anything, right from the basics to the luxury. And I asked her, then why are you here? What clarity do you seek? And she said, I have everything, yet something is missing inside me. Although everything around me seems perfect 10 on 10, but I know that there's something missing. And what is bothering me is, among this hi fi life where everything seems perfect, I am not able to listen or hear the voice of my inner. I exactly don't know for what I am, for why I have taken this birth. And I told her that this itself is a great realization. There are hardly women who comes into a category where they think, why am I born? What is the purpose of my life? And if you fall into that category, then you're already doing great. You're already halfway there. Women are the people, who always respond. Okay, you want something, I'll respond. Oh, you want something, I will respond. Women respond to emotions, they respond to situations, they respond mainly to the expectations. But one thing that she never takes care of is herself. When I say herself, I'm not talking about the clothes, I'm not talking about the accessories we are wearing, or the collection that we have, or the makeup kit we have in our wardrobes. No. When I say she's not taking care of herself, I mean she is not taking care of her inner self. Our soul has a greatest potential. There is a huge, great potential within us. It is not outside, but it is inside. And a woman needs to understand this, that there is a huge potential within her. Be you're a homemaker, be you're an entrepreneur, be you're a businesswoman, you are anyone, a social influencer, anyone, there is a huge, 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 huge potential inside you. But what is the difference? If there is a huge potential, then where is it? It is inside, and there is a way to access it. And the way to access it is meditation. Now, what is meditation? Meditation is not chanting of any mantra, it is not visualization, it is not focusing in between the third eye, it is not repeating some affirmations, but it is simply to be with our normal and natural breathing. And that is the right way of doing meditation. Now, let us understand why women need to meditate today. First reason is women absorb emotions more deeply. Women are natural empaths, they are feelers, they are healers, they are nurturers. So, because of this quality, what happens? Emotional overload happens on a woman. When she doesn't meditate, she goes imbalanced with the emotions. She doesn't understand why I'm like this. But with meditation, she starts releasing her emotional weight. Second reason, women are multitaskers. Multitaskers in the sense they do more than ever. Even when women sit silently, she will be constantly planning, or she'll be worrying, or she'll be preparing, isn't it? So, meditation gives the brain a break. Like it's just like pressing a reset button. Third thing, because of the female body, naturally the women tend to undergo a higher hormonal fluctuations, due to which her moods gets affected, her energies gets affected, her sleep patterns get affected, even her motivation factors get affected. Like today she's highly charged, and by next day all motivation is gone. Why? Not because of the weak mind, but because of the hormonal balance and imbalance happening within her. So when she meditates, meditation stabilizes her internal waves and brings a lot of balance. Fourth point, you see any women around you, all women are natural givers. They always believe in giving, taking care of the family, kids. If she's a working professional, she'll take care of the colleagues. She's in a society, she'll take care of her neighbors, right? Because women are natural givers. They think about others before than thinking about themselves. And this is like an never ending loop. So, what happens by the end of the day? She's overdrained. She's not drained, she's not zero, she goes into minus. And here meditation comes into picture, where meditation, when she meditates, it naturally again fills her with the highest cosmic energy, which will run her systems again. So there is nothing for a woman to change, but she just had to add on the meditation factor in her life, because it changes her emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And today's era is women's era, where the divine feminine energy is just waking up. So when you meditate now, you become, you help yourself to, you help that flower inside you to naturally bloom. And then you become unstoppable. All this while I have spoken about meditation, but next next 2 minutes let us all sit in meditation and experience the taste of meditation. It is like how much ever I speak about pizza or pasta and how much I tell about it, you will just hear to the theory, but the moment you taste it, you understand, you get the experience. So, next 2 minutes, let us all sit in meditation. So, meditation is not about chanting mantra, it's not about visualization, it's not about affirmations, but it is about observing your normal and natural breathing. So sit comfortably. You can sit anywhere in the sofa, chair, bed, ground. Give utmost comfort to your body. No need to keep your spine erect. Just relax. Relax shoulders, relaxed back. You can lean your back to the chair or you can take the wall support, but just ensure your head is straight. Now clasp your hands, that is all fingers into fingers, and put your hand in a very relaxing way onto your lap. Cross your feet, that is one foot over the other. Close your eyes and just be one with your normal and natural breathing. Observe the breath that is coming in. Observe the breath that is going out. Observe the gap between the two breaths. Thoughts will pop in. Ignore the thoughts and bring your attention gently back to your breath. The normal, natural, tender, tranquil, and soft breath. Observe your breathing. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Slowly place both your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly open your eyes. In last 2 minutes, what did we do? We have tasted meditation. That's it. Meditation is so very simple. Once you start meditating, your life starts getting reset. And this reset takes time. So meditation is not, there is, it's also called, these are also called as myths of meditation, where people think people meditate or women meditate to escape life, because you're not doing any karma which is visible, but you are doing a karma which is taking you to an invisible inner world. So women do not meditate to escape, but women meditate to bring life into her life. When you are not meditating, either you are in body consciousness, or you are in emotion consciousness, or you are in mind's consciousness. But when you are meditating, when you are with your normal, natural, flowing breath, you are with your soul's consciousness. Everything that you want, the answer lies within yourself. So when you travel within through the medium of your normal and natural breathing, you naturally attract all the right things outside. Could be right opportunities, right people, right situations. Everything gets attracted to you. You become the magnet to all the right scenarios in life. So, my dear women, this was all about the episode 1 of our series, Why Meditation for Women. In the upcoming episodes of these series, we will talk about emotional stability, about feminine energy, about mental clarity, about work life balance, how to heal the emotional pain, and mainly about the soul's alignment. So, thank you very much for watching so far, and I would love to hear from you. So, please share in the comments what do you feel meditation can actually help you with the most, and your answers will shape the upcoming episodes. And if you have really got touched by this video, or even there is one pointer that you feel that yes, this is a takeaway for me from this video, then please subscribe to our channel and share this video with one woman whom you like the most. And you never know, this might change her own life. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next episode.